How to save login info on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save login info on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click the storylines in the top corner and now click settings and then click privacy, not privacy, click security and then click save login info. And here we'll find it, and here all you need to do is just enable it, and now your account login info have been saved. Then just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.